Hello guys, Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue. Today we are making some chicken wings on my Weber Kettle using my brand new Vortex, so stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back. So as I mentioned earlier, I am going to be making some chicken wings on my Weber Kettle. Now the Vortex is a cone shape attachment, and you guys will see it when we go outside here in a little bit. So what it does is it's going to create this convection within the Weber Kettle. The Weber Kettle is round, obviously, so the heat concentration is going to be in the center. But what's going to happen is that heat's going to come out, hit the lid, come around, hit the wings on the top, come around the bottom, and hit the wings on the bottom. But I will be flipping them. Now one thing that I will be doing, because the exhaust is on the lid of the Weber Kettle, I'm going to rotate my lid every 5 minutes or so, because what's going to happen is the heat is going to be wanting to go to that exhaust. So if the wings are on my right side and I got my exhaust on my right side, those wings are going to get a little bit crispier than everything else. So every 5 minutes, just a little tip, a little pro tip if you will, rotate your lid every 5 minutes. So let's get down to the rubs. I'm going to be using the garlic jalapeno. You guys know I love this stuff from Victory Lane Barbecue. I'm going to give these a light coating. Then we're going to use a Smokin Chicken Rub, which is absolutely fantastic. Now, when the wings are almost ready, I'm going to baste them with a little bit of butter, and then I'm going to sprinkle some of the honey rub from Victory Lane Barbecue. That's going to be so delicious. So, guys, I'm going to give these a coating in that exact same order. I'm not going to use this one until after I baste my wings. So, just the garlic jalapeno seasonal and the Smokin Chicken Rub. So, we'll see you guys outside. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we are outside, and here's my Weber Kettle with the Vortex in the middle. I dumped one basket of charcoal, and that was enough to fill up the Vortex itself. So at this point, I'm just going to get my grate and put it over my Vortex just like that. And I'm going to go ahead and light up my wings around the outside perimeter. And I'm also going to use 2 chunks of mesquite wood right here in the center, and that's going to create some really good smoke and give the wings a nice flavor. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and position the wings on my Weber Kettle, and we'll be right back, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so I got my wings on my Weber Kettle. You can see the mesquite chunks are already starting to smoke. So I'm going to run a little test. I put, what was that, 6 wings on the center, and I want to see what's going to happen to those wings compared to the wings on the outside. So at this point, just go ahead and cover your Weber Kettle. Again, as I mentioned, I will be rotating the lid every 5 minutes or so, just to make sure that I don't get a high concentration of heat on one side of the wings. So we'll see you guys in about 15 minutes, so stay tuned. Alright guys, we are outside, and it's been a total of 20 minutes. So what I started, guys, just so you know, I started with the vents at 12 o'clock. And every 7 minutes, I decided to go with 7 minutes. I rotated it, so I went to 3 o'clock, to 6 o'clock, to 9 o'clock, and back to 12 o'clock. So 7 times 4, so it's been 28 minutes since I put the wings in. And let's take a look at them here. So they are looking good. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and flip them, see what the bottom side looks like. Oh yeah, they're looking really good, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and flip them, let them go for about 10 minutes, and then I will come back and take an internal temperature. So we'll be back. Alright guys, we're back. So I went ahead and flipped all the wings over, and since that mesquite is pretty much done, I'm going to put 3 more pieces on there. Just like this. Just like that. Get some more smoke flavor. You can hear that sizzling from the wings. One thing I did notice, it's like the bottom side was getting a little bit more crispier than the top side. So it looks like the Vortex is hitting the lid, going on the bottom, coming back up, which is really neat. So getting nice and crispy. So again, guys, we're going to give these maybe 10 minutes. We're going to come back and get an internal temperature. So stay tuned. Alright guys, it's been another 10 minutes, and I want to check the internal temperature of these wings here. Let me see, let me get another reading here. I'm showing 133, and that doesn't seem right to me because these wings are almost, I guess so. I'm still at 120, guys. It's been 40 minutes. Crazy. Let's check this one here that's been closer to the Vortex. 147. Okay. So I'm getting real close, guys, to getting ready. At this point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go melt some butter, and I'm going to baste all these wings with the butter. That's going to give them a little darker color as well. And on top of the butter, I'm going to put some of the honey rub from Victory Lane Barbecue. So we'll be back. Alright guys, we're back outside. I went ahead and basted all of the wings with a little bit of butter, and at this point I'm just going to put some of the Victory Lane honey rub on top of that, and it's going to stick to that butter and give the wings a really good flavor. Just like this. Look at that. Man, these things look good. My dog is salivating. Ranger in the background there. Like, what's going on inside that Weber? So I'm gonna let these stand, guys, with a lid on it for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna come back, flip the wings, and baste the other side, and put some of the Victory Lane Barbecue honey rub. So we'll see you guys in about 5 minutes. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so I just want to bring you guys back one last time. I flipped the wings, basted them with some butter, and then put some of the honey rub on top of these wings. I just wanted to show you this. This is absolutely amazing. This is the way to do ribs going forward. Having a little flare up down there, that's because of the butter, but I'm not worried about it. That'll turn off as soon as I put the lid on it. But another 5 minutes, they're already probing at 165, so about another 5 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and pull these off. So we'll be back. Alright guys, we are back inside the house, and the wings are ready. They smell so good. They've been resting for maybe 5 minutes, guys, so they're still nice and warm. But I got to tell you, the smell that is coming off of this platter right here in front of me is just amazing. The wings are nice and crispy, and they smell amazing. So we're going to give them a taste test. So, by the way, let me know what your favorite piece of the wings are too. Do you like the drumettes or do you like the flats? I'm going to give these a taste and see what it tastes like. So here's a drumette. Cheers. Look at this, guys. Oh man. Got some of that steam coming off of them. Oh man. I will never do wings another way. These are so delicious. That is so tasty. Those rubs, guys, very slight heat. That's from the garlic jalapeno. When you first bite into it, you get that sweetness from the honey rub, and then all the spices in that Victory Lane Smokin Chicken Rub. Sorry, I forgot the name. It's a new rub. Man, that is amazing, guys. I'm going to try one of these flats. And I'm going to show you how I eat a flat, too. What I like to do is just reach in here. And actually, I'm going to flip this around. And get the small bone. So just grab it, if you can. Like that. Twist it. Pull it out. Then grab the other bone. Twist it. Pull it out like this. Looks like that bone is broken in here. No, here's the other piece of the bone. So at that point, you have a whole flat. I'm going to dunk this into some ranch. Cheers, guys. Delicious. Good and tasty. Oh my God, guys. These wings are the best. If you don't have a Vortex, get yourself a Vortex. You will be amazed. Also, these rubs, ooh, got some of that jalapeno seasonal there towards the end. A little bit of spice again. Guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys like this video. Leave any questions you guys have down below. Hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Until next time, Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue. See you guys.